Albert Bandura was a Canadian-American psychologist who proposed the social learning theory. He believed that people don't always need direct experience to learn. Instead, they can simply observe someone else's behavior and its consequences, then imitate that behavior. Bandura demonstrated his theory through the famous Bobo doll experiment. Children were divided into different groups. One group watched an adult behaving aggressively toward a large inflatable doll called the Bobo doll. The adult hit the doll, kicked it, and shouted at it. Later, when these children were left alone with the same doll, many of them copied exactly what they had observed. Children who had not seen aggressive behavior showed much less aggression. This experiment proved that children can learn new behaviors simply by observing others. According to Bandura, observational learning occurs in four simple steps. The first step is attention. The child must first pay attention to the model. The second step is retention. The child remembers what was observed. The third step is reproduction. The child attempts to copy the observed behavior. The final step is motivation. If the child expects a reward or sees a positive outcome, they're more likely to repeat that behavior. Let's understand how this theory is used in a dental clinic. Imagine two children arrive together. The younger child is anxious. Before treatment begins, the dentist allows the younger child to watch an older sibling calmly undergoing a simple dental examination. The younger child observes that nothing painful happens. After watching this positive experience, the younger child becomes more relaxed and cooperative. This technique is called modeling, and it is one of the most effective behavior guidance methods in pediatric dentistry. Social learning theory has many practical applications in pediatric dentistry. Parents who remain calm help children remain calm. An older sibling with a positive attitude can encourage a younger child to cooperate. Friendly dental videos shown for treatment can reduce anxiety. Even the dentist's own calm behavior, smiling face, and confident communication act as positive models for children. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Tooth Theory for more easy to understand dental concepts. See you in the next video.